The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down no offenses intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you sure you can mash the works?
Oh, you mean you're going to get that man for fun?
Yeah, the last time you flat the works.
Yeah, man, chicken, you know. Want you, man, original, front teeth, gold teeth, and brush teeth.
Yeah, me not want to hear about your dental work. Next one, if you can mash the work.
Oh, you mean things you man, I hear that, man.
Yeah, yeah, me now.
Yeah.
You see the works, yeah?
Yeah.
You see if you dip on the works and have the goods. If you button the police, dash it way.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Sin.
All right.
Everything covered.
All right, remember.
Sin, yeah, man.
Sin, this is the money to pay for the thing.
Sin, listen.
Don't know.
So from police, that's it.
Yeah, man.
Sin.
Hurry up and forward, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me want you about a pink pants here, you know.
Yeah, the girl them love my pants, want to. That's a crowded start. Can't lose the boss money. Make sure check the air. So I got the boss, not the
She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me not.
Yo! I beer things!
Yeah, one.
Mr. Police, read the beer!
Yeah, so them bullet with the goods.
I'm gonna buy it!
Yeah. Oh, you don't buy it?
No!
Oh, good thing you don't buy it, my son.
Son.
Yeah, right, for circle them, look around, the police gone.
Will!
I mean,
You alone! Then I'll go back up there, sir!
when I come up there.
Then I'll go back!
Yeah, you go out there, come on, sir. Give me money. Me go to myself, sir.
I want to afraid my dash it.
Where's it? You don't see my money? Hey, boy. That's all for money, boy. Hey, boy. That's my money.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm gonna watch the video, but not so much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright,
me?
thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.